here for syllabus discussion for first year in BSc Computer Science. I teach programming languages since last 18 years and मेरे स्टूडेंट्स मुझे अ मैन ऑफ सॉल्विंग एरर्स के नाम से जानते हैं. आई मीन दे लव, जब भी एरर आता है वो सीधा मुझे कांटेक्ट करते हैं. एंड उनको मेरा एक हैबिट जो बहुत अच्छा लगता है दैट आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर कि जब भी एरर आया तो आई नेवर सॉल्व द एरर्स, बट रादर देन दैट आई आस्क देम what the error statement is, what is the meaning of that, what is missing, why that error occurred, and many more questions. By giving the answers of that questions one by one, they realize and they or himself themselves find out the errors. And that errors, once they solve, it never in future occurs. They definitely able to solve the errors, right? So that is what about me. Today I am here to share a syllabus. Let's begin with the discussion. So I am presenting here this syllabus on the behalf of Pioneer Education Center. That's the coaching classes for computer science and IT, who teach and expertise in the all syllabus of BSc in IT and computer science under University of Mumbai. So these are the subjects, everyone. So these are the subjects called computer organization and design, programming with Python, free and open source software, database system, discrete mathematics, descriptive statistics, and introduction to probability, soft skills development. So we will go little bit in brief, not in detail, but definitely go in brief and say what the value of that subject is. So here I covered the syllabus of computer organization and one by one all the subjects. If you are interested to get the syllabus, in the description we will specify our email ID or WhatsApp number so that you can contact and share this syllabus copy in the PDF format. So here computer organization is the subject where you have a physics ka next level. So you can see your logic and circuits comes. Then we have a set of architectures, right? And then we have basic processor unit and input output. So these are the reference books given by the Mumbai University, right? And you can use any of the book which you like, because in book I'll not go with the one specific, because many time it happens that the part of the syllabus covered in a one book, rest of the syllabus is covered in the second book. There are some local publications also available like TechMax or Tech Media, then Vipul Prakashan, Seth Prakashans. You can study couple of hours in college and then you decide which book to purchase, right? And here I have a one next subject called programming with Python. Python is very good and used in industry right now in the data science, right? Even it has its own GUI and then front end, back end. So it's used many times with applications also. So here certain basics about the Python given. Then we have Python ke andar if else statements, then functions and many more available here. So this is the again books for the Python. This is the programming language which you learn as a first programming language. In semester 2 you have another Python that's called Python 2, the next level. So this is the basic of Pythons. Okay, you have a compiler you have to install and you have to run the program of Python. Yes. Then the next we have free and open source software. This is one of the very good move by the Mumbai University, everyone. No one understands what do you mean by open source software. So let me give just a brief idea that every software requires license. For example, MS Office. Then you required license to use on your computer. Of course, there are 90 days or 60 days trial versions available, but what after next? The whole year. So we at in India, many of the people are using called pirated copy, right? Very popular. We are using pirated copy, but I never use it. Very frankly, I never use it. So we have some alternative availables. Maybe we are not aware of. So this subject exactly gives an importance to the alternative of all licenses software required. So we have a Windows operating system. The alternative is Linux because it is a free and open source. Now here it is mentioned GNU project, right? So there is what exactly the how it came as an open source. Then what are the softwares available here? Case study mein you can see GNU Linux, Android, then Mozilla, right? WordPress. These are the open source. You don't require any license. Let's say there is a software called MS Office. तो उसका alternative is WPS. Everyone now in mobile you know WPS, right? So that WPS is an open, I mean you can use that, it's no license, that's called freeware. But there are certain software called open source. You can change coding also, source code you can change. I mean in an industry, if there is an organization of 500 people and they wants to modify the operating system ka interface, they can do that with help of this kind of the open source software, right? So this is the subject all about. And then we have a next subject called database system, one of the very powerful subject required to learn in industry, because whenever you do programming there is something called as front end and there is something called as back end. So in back end, these database system are basically used as a back end. So it is again from the scratch, they will explain in this subject called what is DBMS, what is entity relationship model, ER model, then what is your DDL statements, that is called select query, then insert query, then table design query, how will I create my table, how will I store my data, how will I fetch my data. That is what given in this subject called database system. So database system, you have functions, subqueries, and many more things here given. There is a very popular book here available for that, that is Navate. Or you can use Joel Murak. Any book is fine. Then in the discrete mathematics, this is the subject called discrete mathematics, which is a bit related to computational maths, right? So recurrence relations, functions, then we have permutations and combinations, counting principles, right? Graphs and trees. These are the subjects related again with the data structure. Okay, so that is the reason they have given here data structure ka book, SOM series, right? Otherwise, discrete mathematics by Tata McGraw-Hill, Rosen, Kenneth and Rosen. That is the one of the good book they people are using in, in college. So in semester one, you have two mathematics basically. One is discrete mathematics, another is statistics. This statistics and probability is again very much used in the field called data science. There is called aggregations, there is called here correlations, linear regressions, very highly used. So you have to learn the subject from that perspective, not as a mathematics, but the subject which you are going to learn. Let's say people are joining these days data science course. So in data science, they have to learn this if they have not studied in the academics. So you got an opportunity to learn the subject from that. In future, you are going to be in this field, right? So these are the different available for that. That is called descriptive mathematics. And one subject called communication will be taught as a skills. You cannot ignore that. People do such subject easy and last thing burden. No, give in a week time, once in a week, learn something called communication. Learn something called how to build your personality, right? So this everything is given here very nicely. And if you learn this subject implement from this moment only, next 3 years, you will definitely in a one more where the college people always remember your name because something called creativity, something called your capacity, your leadership, everything comes here. Like so very good subject, which has been given the low importance, you give the good importance. One which gives you a value, right? So that is what soft skills comes. So here are the semester 2 subjects and I'll not cover right now, but of course we will make a video once your semester 1 completes. Right now this is the month of August, so you know that your admission process just completed. You have got the admissions. Congratulations for the your preferred college admissions. Those who have not got your choice college, absolutely fine. Just go to the college where you want. Maybe some seats are available, you can take an admission. If not, complete your first year in this current college where you got an admission and try for the another college next year once your good score. I definitely say that when the companies come for the placement, they will look at the semester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They will not only look at the second year or third year ka score. So always give your best and get the CGPA 7 pointers above. Infosys, TCS, many of the time keep the conditions called earlier year they used to keep 55 percentage and above, and these days it's a 7 pointers above. And once your semester 1 2 is complete and you are reaching to the semester 5 and you come to know that oh you required semester 1 to 7, can you roll back, can you change the score? आप उस स्कोर को चेंज नहीं कर सकते. सो मेरा ये वीडियो बनाने का एक ही मोटिव था कि आपको बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन मिले, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक पायोनियर who took the initiative and give me a chance to make this video. Last but not least, that I'll definitely say that these are the computers and IT industry where score comes second, knowledge comes first. So you have to balance knowledge and score. Score that much which company is expecting as a eligibility. Knowledge is unlimited, right? Make small projects in every semester. अगर DBMS है DBMS का प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, Python 2 है Python 2 का प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ. You have a data structure, very powerful subject, Linux. You have again two mathematics called calculus and statistical methods, and the green technologies and environment subject. So we will discuss this in detail in semester 2. At this, I would like to just complete my video by saying thank you everyone and wish you all the best for the new academic year.